Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, August the 6th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures pushed higher on Wednesday amid another batch of corporate earnings and persistent trade uncertainty. Futures attached to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.4%, while those attached to the benchmark S&P 500 edged up 0.2%. Futures attached to the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 were also up around 0.2%. Number 2. Walt Disney Company shares are nearly 2% in pre-market trading after the entertainment giant reported fiscal third-quarter results and announced multiple new deals. Disney reported sales of $23.69 billion, just below Visible Alpha consensus, and adjusted earnings per share of $1.61 that beat them. Disney announced that its ESPN unit will acquire NFL Network and other league media assets in exchange for a 10% equity stake in the sports giant. Disney also said its direct-to-consumer sports service, simply called ESPN, will launch August 21st, and added an exclusive deal with WWE to be the U.S. home of the wrestling promotion's premium live events, including WrestleMania, starting next year. Number 3. Advanced Micro Devices shares are down 6% in pre-market trading as investors apparently are underwhelmed by second-quarter profit of 48 cents per share that was in line with projections. AMD posted revenue that jumped 32% year-over-year to a record $7.67 billion, well above the $7.43 billion consensus estimate of analysts polled by Visible Alpha. AMD also said it took a roughly $800 million hit on U.S. export controls of its MI308 chip. The company has said it's ready to resume deliveries of the chip to China once it receives approval from U.S. regulators. Number 4. Supermicro Computer, or Supermicro, shares are sinking 17% in pre-market trading after the server maker reported disappointing quarterly results while issuing weak earnings guidance. Supermicro reported adjusted earnings per share of 41 cents on sales that increased 7.5% year-over-year to $5.76 billion. However, estimates from analysts tracked by Visible Alpha called for 45 cents and $6.01 billion, respectively. Its adjusted EPS outlook for the current quarter was for 40 cents to 52 cents, when estimates called for 60 cents. Entering Wednesday, Supermicro shares had soared nearly 90% this year after almost being delisted from the Nasdaq over corporate governance and accounting issues. Number 5. Shares of Snap are sinking by 18% in pre-market trading after the social media firm reported second-quarter results that fell short of analysts' estimates. The Snapchat operator reported adjusted EBITDA of $41.3 million, while Visible Alpha estimates called for $47.0 million. The company also posted revenue that increased 9% to $1.34 billion, a tick below Visible Alpha consensus. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.